Hi all, today I made beautiful and delicious homemade sambar. It is best enjoyed with rice, idli and dosa. If you like the recipes I'm sharing, please do consider to like and subscribe. Let's start. Here I have taken washed and clean 1 cup of tur dal, that is pigeon pea, and I'm using 250 ml measuring cup. I'm not adding tons of veggies, but you can add more veggies as you like. For sambar, I'm adding 1 big potato and 1 big carrot chopped and beans chopped into 1 inch. Here I have taken 3 drumsticks, but I will be cooking it separately, otherwise it will be overcooked and mushy. Here I am using shallot, that is small onion, but if it is not available, you can use onion instead. And 4 green chilli, you can add according to your spice. Add all the veggies into a cooker. Add handful of shallots, and remaining shallots we can use for seasoning. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Add water till the veggies are covered and add curry leaves, but if you have fresh curry leaves it will be better. I'll give 3 whistles so that the dal and veggies get cooked. Before the first whistle I remembered about tomato, so I added 3 medium-sized tomato. It's better to add while we are adding the veggies. In 3 whistles, all the veggies and dal is cooked perfectly. The pressure is released. Now you can open the cooker. Now you can check the veggies are holding the shape and dal is soft and well cooked. For seasoning, add oil. You can add coconut oil or any other oil of your choice. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. When it's flutter, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, that is ulva ya vendayam, and half teaspoon or more than half teaspoon you can add zira, cumin, and half teaspoon of hing. Add curry leaves and shallot, or instead of shallot, add 1 medium-sized onion. When shallot turns to light brown color, add the spice powder. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chilli powder and 1.5 tablespoon of sambar powder. You can use any brand or homemade sambar powder, and here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dhania powder. This is important step, but when you are adding the spice powder, you have to keep the flame in low. And it's better to add water so that the masala should not burn. Cooking for a minute will take out the rawness of the masala. Now add this into a sambar. When you add this sambar masala, the color will change. Here I am adding tamarind juice. I have soaked medium lemon-sized tamarind in water for 5 minutes. Squeeze and take the extract from it. Use the brown color tamarind instead of black. This will give the good color to the sambar. Here I have cooked the drumsticks separately so that it should not overcook. So now I'm adding this into the sambar. When it starts to boil, add coriander leaves chopped. Boil it for 1 minute and switch off the flame. When sambar cools down, the consistency of the sambar will become thick. Add water and boil it if needed. Thanks for watching.